Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I am here today. Right now I am at work. I'm in the theater at the school here that I'm working at. Had a busy morning, as you guys saw, just doing some cleaning around the house, and then I had to be up here to meet with my students. I guess it was around 11:30 that I needed to be here. But at any rate, it is still pretty early. I think it's just now 12. Yeah, it's just now 12. And so I just wanted to touch base with you guys, say good morning to you. Thanks for joining me for another vlog. Today is Vlogtober, day number 6. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me today. I'll be teaching here till about 3:40, and then I've got a couple errands to run. So guys, let's enjoy this day together. I am done. I'm headed home now. School was great. The students were great today. We talked about characters and did character analysis and all that fun drama stuff. So now I am headed home. I'm thinking about what I'm going to cook for dinner. I did take out some chicken breast and I'm trying to think what I'm going to do with that. I think I'm just going to simply make some chicken nuggets. Something quick and simple. And I think I'm going to make crispy chicken nuggets. I'm going to probably put me some in the air fryer. I'm going to make my low carb version and then make some for my family. I don't know. I'm still just thinking, but that's kind of where I'm going right now for dinner. I'm not quite sure yet, but let's just get home and see what happens. So I have decided to make loaded broccoli. So what I'm doing here is I'm getting some bacon ready in a baking sheet. I find this to be the best way to cook bacon. So I'm putting it in a 445-degree oven for approximately 20 minutes. Got me some Starbucks, a triple shot of espresso here, and I am pouring in my caramel protein shake. So delicious. It's the best alternative for those other Starbucks sugary drinks that I get. I absolutely love it. So I did decide to stick with the chicken nuggets, and here I have boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm cutting them into about 1-inch cubes. And what I'm going to do is, I have about 4 breasts here. I usually put them in a large freezer bag like I'm doing here, and then I'll add my seasonings to them, whatever seasonings and spices that you prefer. Of course, I'm using Sincerely Legenia all-purpose spice blend on these chicken breasts. Again, I'm cutting them up into about 1-inch cubes. I'm going to put them in there. After I've seasoned them, I'm going to add some flour to them, and then I'm going to shake them up really, really well to make sure they get coated really good. And that's simple. I also sometimes will go ahead and season the flour as well. I'm using a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm cooking the nuggets in rather small batches in the vegetable oil using my cast iron skillet, and they come out nice and crispy and tender and juicy. So I've steamed some broccoli, and now I'm getting ready to make some loaded broccoli with this. So after steaming it, trying to do this with one hand, guys. After steaming it, I put it in a baking pan like this. Sometimes I would put it in the air fryer, but since it's so much, I'm just going to let the cheese and bacon go in the oven. And I'm going to season it. I always add butter to the broccoli. There's nothing like delicious buttered broccoli, and so I've already cut it up here and add that. Okay, I'm just going to season this and use whatever seasoning you want. I have this that I need to go ahead and just use up. So I'm going to add some seasoning to that, and I'm going to add some onion powder. Yum! Garlic powder. And there was some salt in this seasoning. If we need additional salt, I'll let everybody just salt it up as they see fit when they put their portion in there. So I got that on there. All right, so the first thing I'm going to add is the bacon. And I've showed you guys how I make my loaded broccoli before. First thing we're going to add is the bacon. Everything is better with bacon. I mean, broccoli is already good, but add bacon and cheese to broccoli. Takes it to a whole nother level, right? Yeah. All right, and now we're just going to simply put cheese on top of it. Say what? A delish. That is it. We're going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and melted. So now I have mine that I'm getting ready to put in the air fryer. Yes, I have my chicken that's separate. It's not fried and it's not battered. I'm going to season this with a little avocado oil. And of course, I'm going to go in with Sincerely Legenia all-purpose seasoning. Okay. And we're going to sprinkle it liberally with the seasoning. And I'm going to mix this up. Okay, I'm holding this with one hand, so bear with me. All right, so I'm going to just toss this around. I have to put the phone down, guys. Can't do it with one hand. Hold the container. All right, add a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to toss again. All right, and I'm going to put this in the air fryer, 375 degrees for 12 minutes. I'll check it to see if it's done. Usually halfway through, I'll go ahead and flip it, but I'll show you guys. But into the air fryer this goes. Alrighty, so here's my family's plate, chicken nuggets and loaded broccoli, and that's dinner. We're going to call this dinner, guys. Looks yummy, and I can guarantee you it tastes yummy. All right, so my air fryer nuggets I'm turning them over now. They smell so good. Juicy. Guys, and this is my dinner: loaded broccoli and air fried chicken nuggets with Sincerely Legenia all-purpose seasoning. Yum. All right, everybody, I'm eating my dinner. It is so good. I haven't even taken off my apron yet. I took one bite and just kept going, but it is absolutely delicious. The Sincerely Legenia seasoning on these nuggets, spectacular. Bacon and cheese and broccoli. Amazing. Well, everybody, that is it for today's vlog. I'm going to go ahead and end it right here. I've cleaned the kitchen up. I've eaten good. I've showered. I've changed. And now I am tired. I am ready to go upstairs and get me some rest. Thank you guys for joining me for another vlog. If you are new here, then welcome. I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe. But guys, it is my prayer, as always, that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'm going to talk to you in tomorrow's vlog right here on Sincerely. Thanks, guys. Bye.